Operation of the internal combustion engine, or ICE. The internal combustion engine converts the combustion energy of the fuel inside the engine into mechanical energy. One type of internal combustion engine is the reciprocating piston engine. The vast majority of vehicles are powered by a 4-stroke reciprocating engine. In this video, we will go over the operation of such engines using the example of a 4-stroke piston engine powered by gasoline. We can now see the crank mechanism and the valve timing mechanism. The former is propelled by the energy released during fuel combustion and converts such energy into rotational, mechanical energy. The valve timing mechanism is needed to open the inlet and exhaust valves. It can be put in motion by gear, belt, or chain drive from the crankshaft. For the sake of simplicity, we will only review the operation of one cylinder.